Austin's getting to be too big for a swing. Silly. Look at how long that boy is. He can pull himself up on furniture now. He's a big boy. He's a big boy. Oh, sit up and show him how big you are. What does your t-shirt say? Little brothers are awesome? They sure are. They sure are. He's so silly. Say, I am up for my nap early. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, cute little boy. What a cute little boy. He's a cute little boy. Yes, he is. Yes, he is.